Welcome guys to episode 29 of how we build a 5-story building. Last week we were putting concrete here at the rooftop with the big pump. Now the blockers already arrived, they installed the blocks, and now we are forming the tie-beam on top of it. So we're gonna pour and then pour the last slab in the higher roof. That is gonna be the final pouring that we have. Moving forward, we are putting concrete on the parapet walls and also in the planters. And as you can see here, we are already on the top of the structure, and the last part that we're gonna have to do is to pour concrete on top of the slab at the higher roof. At the same time, we receive the windows, so we start installation of the window like I'm gonna show you now. Here we are installing the windows, in this case the storefront that are in the north wall of the building, the north facade, and then the more complex is going to be the curtain wall that is going to be on the south wall. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, the notification bell for more updates on how we build the 5-story building. Thanks for watching.